It's amazing. Everybody needs to see it. Loved it. Loved the movie.
Loved it. Loved everything about it.
Never changes. It keeps staying the same. It's always freaking awesome.
Amazing horror movie from start to finish.
Oh, I loved it.
I loved it. There are so many parts where I cried, so many times where I just resonated. I loved it. It was amazing.
The message was great. The scientific part was my favorite.
I loved it.
Phenomenal. It was an amazing turnout. Could not be happier.
Indy was so good.
It was amazing. I cried, obviously, in the part that I can't tell you about.
It was incredible.
One of my favorite movies of the year.
Suspenseful in the right moments, and it just hit home.
And I would watch it over and over again and let friends know to watch this movie too. It was amazing.
I honestly didn't know what to expect. I had never heard anything about it. Emotional.
I had already seen it before, and I was not excited. It just pulls those hard chords, and it keeps you on the edge of your seat, suspense. It's amazing.